Okay, if I want to add a watermark to Excel, what I'll do is I will go to insert, and then I will go to header and footer, click that, and then I'll click the header, okay, um, cell, and then I'll go to picture, okay, and I will choose the picture that I want to add. I will insert the picture, and it will appear like that. I will click outside the box, anywhere it will appear like that. Then I will go to then I will again go to the header and footer and go to format picture, click there, and then I will go to the picture, this one, and I will go to color mode, and I will click that and click washout. Okay, I will close that now, and I can see that it's like a watermark, and that's what you can do.